Here's a great deal on a 2008 Volvo C70. This two-door, four-passenger convertible is still under 75,000 miles. Volvo made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 5-cylinder engine with more than 220 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. All of the premium features expected of a Volvo are offered, including delay-off headlights, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power convertible roof, and power windows. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.